Welcome everyone. Now you are through with the previous first to 5 sum of NCERT, so you will understand how to prepare income and expenditure and the balance sheet effects and receipts and payments in that. But there are some now what we are going to learn in that includes the subscription adjustments also. So first what I want to teach is some extra sums I will be giving for the adjustments of subscription so that you will understand the internal adjustment of subscription, and then we will move on to the major sums of 6, 7, 8, 9 onwards. So first I will make you understand the adjustments respect to the subscription, then we will go on with the other sums of 6, 7, 8, 9. So first extra sum number 1 I had given is during the year ended on 31st March 2020, subscription received by Jaipur Literary Society were rupees 4,20,000. This subscription include 14,000 received for the year ended on 31st March 2019. On 31st March 2020, subscription due but not received is 10,000. What amount should be credited to income and expenditure account for the year 2020 as subscription? In this, they had asked that in income and expenditure what is to be transferred. So, switching towards that, first we have to draw income and expenditure only. But I have made you draw balance sheet opening and balance sheet closing just to make you understand what will be the other effects of that. But first I will highlight in income and expenditure how the effect is to be given. But before starting that, I want to explain the sum. What is given in the sum is you have received total rupees 4,20,000 in the year 2020. Of this 2019 rupees 14,000 is of 2019, यानी ये प्रीवियस ईयर का है, प्रीवियस ईयर का इस साल रिसीव किया है, तो हम क्या करेंगे उसको माइनस. एंड रुपीज़ 10,000 इज येट टू बी रिसीव्ड, मीन्स अभी मुझे मिलना बाकी है. कौन से साल के लिए? इस साल के लिए. सो हम उसको क्या करेंगे? ऐड. सो by looking at this we will switch on to income and expenditure first. So come to your income and expenditure first, and over there you will see I have written by subscription 4,20,000 as it is, plus outstanding current year, as we have discussed that current year rupees 10,000 is outstanding. So switching towards that, 10,000 is to be added and less outstanding previous year. So less outstanding previous year, यानी previous year last year નું જે છે તે શું કરશું આપણે? minus. So 14,000 is to be minus. So ultimately outer column gives you 4,16,000. Apart from this, outstanding current year નું outstanding તે ક્યાં આવશે? તો closing balance sheet ની asset side પર, અને outstanding previous year નું ક્યાં આવશે? opening balance sheet ની asset side પર. So you can see that I had drawn closing balance sheet. Over there I have written by a credit side subscription, outstanding, current year, CY 10,000. While at the same time in the opening balance sheet I have written subscription, outstanding, previous year, rupees 14,000. So this way your thus that ends your sum. So on the asset side we are transferring the outstanding subscription, and on the credit side of income and expenditure we are transferring the subscription. Of outstanding we are going to add of current year and minus of previous year. That's it.